Hi team,
It's Tom and Jack here. Competition time. It's your chance to win £100.
we realise that some of us are self-isolating already, whether it be from work or school, and the elderly and or vulnerable have been advised to stay at home.
We've decided to run a competition to try and restore some connection for those affected in a creative, inclusive and enjoyable way.
To enter this competition, which is for children up to the age of 11, you have to do the following things. The first thing is to call a family friend or relative over the age of 60 and listen to a story that they have to share.
Then write down the interesting story that you have learned about them.
And then the last step is to share your story, and you can do this in two ways. The first way is via an adult's Instagram account with their permission. They will upload your story to their account with the hashtag #CallWriteShare.
Or you can email us at info@tomandjack.co.uk.
The competition is now underway, so it's time to call, write, share.
You have until midnight on the 1st of April 2020.
Tom and myself will pick a winner based on how interesting and enjoyable we found the story.
The winner will receive £100, and remember, it must be 100% true.
We can't wait to read all of these stories, and we hope that you enjoy sharing them also.
Check out the T's and C's in the description below, and best of luck, team!